I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy crypto in Binance US. Only ways. Create and verify your account, enable two-factor authentication, and link a bank or debit card. Fund your USD wallet with a deposit, then navigate to the Buy Crypto tab. Choose the cryptocurrency and amount, review fees and price impact, confirm the order, and monitor the trade in your portfolio for immediate updates and safety checks. Bank transfers and cards work differently, so pick the option that balances speed and cost for you. Use ACH or bank transfer for lower fees and higher limits, or a debit card if you prefer instant purchases despite slightly higher costs. Check deposit limits, expected processing times, and any conversion fees. Always confirm the displayed total, including fees, before submitting the buy order to avoid surprises or failed transactions later. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful crypto content. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control keeps your space tidy while you focus on trading. It's a fun household helper that frees up time for research and portfolio management. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Placing orders is straightforward once your account is funded and secured. For immediate buys, use market orders, and for specific pricing, use limit orders with a target price. Always review the estimated fees, slippage, and total cost before confirming. Consider starting with a small test buy to understand the process and timing. Track your order status in the Orders tab and adjust or cancel limit orders if market conditions change unexpectedly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.